Ooh.
Smells
Ooh.
like
You ready for this
cleaning
close-up? May
products.
edit this one.
It's that citrus. Alright, cheers.
Alright, there you go.
Dink it.
Dink it and sink it, dude.
Alright.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
That went in my...
Oh.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another one of our mukbang episodes here. And today, I ordered this this hot sauce here from Hot Ones. I'm a big fan. And it's a collab with 88RISING. They have this Dragon in the Clouds hot sauce. And I thought it would be interesting to try it. And I've tried it here, but neither of them has tried it.
Nope.
And honestly, I've tried the last dab. I feel like this is hotter than that. So, I have this right here.
Shout out to Sean Evans.
Look at this packaging.
Take that dank thing out of there.
Yeah, shout out Sean Evans. Have us on the show.
Have us on the show. We have tons of subscribers.
But yeah, here we go.
Look
I
at
already tried it. I don't need to try it again.
Let me read the ingredients. It has main ingredient ghost chilies, white vinegar, salt, essential oils, which is from mustard, Szechuan peppercorn, and orange, garlic, mustard seed, and yuzu juice. And yuzu, I think, is like a Japanese like grapefruit lemon thing.
It's got a tangy taste to it.
Yeah.
Get that in there.
This thing was $25, but I think it's honestly worth the money for how hot it is.
And it's also sold out. Like
tastes
the
good.
same day.
Well, actually, I looked up. I think they still have more.
Nope.
But literally, it was so
Nope.
busy. You
It's-
looked it?
Nope, it's gone.
Really?
Don't get it.
But I think, like, I literally ordered it 3 minutes after it was posted. And then I looked later on the day and the site was crashed. So this thing went bananas.
Buy it
But
now.
let's smell it.
Take a big whiff. Hold on. I gotta... Oh, that went in. Get close, get in there.
Damn, strong.
We're gonna...
Man. You
I
guys
can
ready?
smell it from here now.
I got some wings here from Fire Wings San Mateo. I got some plain salt and pepper wings for, like, the base, pretty much. And then I got some other wings just to help with the heat, because I know this thing is Satan's asshole.
Dude, you know how I feel about that.
The devil's jizz.
Alright.
Are we gonna try the chicken first to be like, hey, this is good? This is good, you should
Nah.
buy
I would have
it?
tried it.
We're just dying it.
We're just gonna throw it
We're
in?
just going to dive right in.
Okay, I'm gonna get a dragon one. Is a dragon one Swedish?
This one's-
Or
Yeah, it's
a little sweet?
like soyish. Like, it's not spicy at all.
I'm gonna be a little soy boy. Don't just buy it.
That's good.
Put your dab in there.
Oh, gotta
Oh my god.
that one.
That's a glob. That ain't no
I'm
dab.
afraid now.
Wait, show that glob.
Look at that. I'm gonna die.
Zoom into me pouring it. Hold on.
Okay.
Gotta get that Hot Ones logo in there. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Dude, you ready? I'm scared. Look at that. Slow pour. Very slow, very scary pour.
Watch it don't
Can you-
fall away.
I command this one drop to be the
Oh. Hell yeah. There you go, James. All for you. Make sure the logo shows. Yeah, put it on that.
I'll put on one.
Man, you okay? I think yours is slightly smaller. Here, I can just share that.
Why
with you.
you making fun of my
Hey, man,
size?
put more of yours.
You put more on yours. You don't even have any.
Man, I'm hella nervous.
Oh!
Dude, give some of that to James.
Oh no, here, James. You can have some of mine.
Just smear it on there.
Mmm.
Yo, yours has a big surface area one.
I'm gonna die
You spread it out.
for safety.
But yeah, I'm serious, man. I think this is hotter than the last dab.
That got me. Just smell it right there where it is in
Wait,
the
is that
chicken.
enough?
Yeah, that's good.
Smell it. Take a whiff. Ooh.
Smells
Ooh.
like
You ready for this
cleaning
close up?
products.
May edit this one.
It's that citrus. Alright, cheers.
All right, there you go.
Dink it.
Dink it and sink it, dude.
All right.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Oh.
That went in my. I went in my lungs.
That's
It's pretty good.
that's horrible.
It's
Get
pretty
ice
good.
Wilmer's a madman.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Ash Ketchum time.
Ash ketchup. It's pretty good. It's pretty. How am I gonna do another one? Heck no. Oh, that is all over me. I'm gonna cry.
Open that ranch.
I'm crying. I'm fine.
Do you guys need your ice cream?
No, I'm doing it.
I'm fine. Hey, is it hot in here?
Oh, never mind. Oh,
I'm crying. I'm crying though.
My tongue is like, feels like it's been like stabbed.
Help!
Ranch.
Don't touch your eyes. I learned that from Hot Ones. Is there water?
Yes, we have water. We got a backup reservoir in here. It's a big win. That's the brand. Who needs it?
Shout out to Big Wins. You're gonna save me right now.
Thank you.
that's all right.
You know, it's not that bad. Once you get past the burning sensation, it's not bad.
My lips are breathing down.
I'm not gonna talk. It hurts when I talk. It hurts when I talk.
My tongue is like in pain.
I mean, you guys are handling better than Joji, yo.
That's true.
Joji's a little slut, dude. Put me on your channel. I love you, Joji. You make good music. But you're a little slut. It's a good thing I'm wearing this.
Man, this shit ain't even working.
Well, water supposedly makes it worse.
It's a good thing I'm drinking all of it.
Because it spreads the heat around your mouth now.
We don't believe in milk, guys.
Milk, that's for Joji. Milk, that's for Joji.
Milk is for dads who never come back.
Does anyone need their ice cream?
Not yet. Let me burn a little bit more.
Okay.
I've taken bigger hits from my dad. It's good.
Okay, it's starting to subside a little bit, but my mouth is still like tingling a little bit.
Mine's, I mean, I did put another dab on it.
Yeah.
Do you guys think you would make the Hot Ones episode?
I mean, if we could survive that.
I feel like this one's the last one. I feel like this is the last dab close encounter. And
Although, I've never tried, what's that atomic one?
Oh, the bomb.
Yeah, I heard that one's really bad, so I feel like
That
if
one
I could
just-
survive that one, I could probably survive it.
That one just hits you just to hit you. It's just like to bother you.
just
like,
molest your tongue.
Oh my gosh, James, you make the best reactions.
It's hella hot, man.
It is.
I cried. I cried so much.
Can't even enjoy this wing. Can't taste anything.
Someone pass me a paper towel.
Someone pass me some more spicy.
Here, y'all.
Right there.
Just start his head.
Thank you. You want?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's do another one.
You guys ready for the next one?
Nah, I'm good.
Come on, man.
You guys can do one.
If we do it, Sean Evans will tweet us back. He promised me in a comment that he never responded to. I'm calling you out. Never responded. It's hurting again. I took a bite where it was again. I think there's a little bit more right here. The like taste of the chicken is burning me
I'm
more.
gonna eat a plain wing.
Wait,
Like
some
I said, we got ice cream.
What type?
We got a drumstick French dip vanilla. We got a Kit Kat with vanilla inside.
Dibs on the Kit Kat one.
I'm on keto, so I can't.
I'm gonna just take a bite of it.
Okay. Here we go.
I got
Drumstick?
got one
You
wing.
get the Kit Kat.
Hell yeah.
These
Screw
dragon
you,
wings are
James.
hella good.
They are. Once you get past the entire hot ones, that's pretty good.
Yeah, like it's already subsiding.
What is it called? Dragon?
Dragon in the cloud.
No, the wing.
Oh, I don't know. That's just what they call it. But it tastes good.
I can't even smell this right now. It's gone. My nose is gone.
This feels good.
Let me get this out of the way.
Cools down.
Is there anywhere I could spit?
Shout out Sean Evans.
It's pretty good. It's pretty. How am I gonna do another one? Heck no.
Gabe's face.
Alright,
Do it.
we're chill.
Oh my god.
It's pretty good. It's pretty
You're
good.
freaking crazy.
Look at it.
You know what this needs?
I didn't get hemorrhoids.
What'd you call me?
Need some Chipotle.
It was good for the immune system.
It'll purge away your sensation.
If you've ever had a dad that never loved you, you should try it.
We all know that feeling.
It won't do anything to better it, but you should just try it.
It won't fill the void.
You have two dads that don't love you.
Boy, you got yourself in some deep trouble.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm fine. I should eat more ice cream.
Guys,
No,
you
it's-
know he loves you because he's adding that hot sauce to his ice cream.
At Sean Evans.
You're not getting paid for
At
this.
First We Feast.
Ooh. Gabe, why'd you tell me to do that?
We just like completely like restarted the whole cycle. You want to drink some ranch? Got like a chicken tendon between my teeth.
It's worse.
The ice cream doesn't help in the immediate moment.
Feel better.
Yeah, it hits you fast, but it goes away kind of fast too. The last dab, it's like not too hot at first, but then it builds up. This one's the opposite.
You have milk. I need milk.
Use ranch.
Get me milk.
Yeah,
Okay, you need milk?
just ranch.
I need
right
milk.
Or ice cream cone?
I need everything. Give me everything.
there. Anything that helps.
In the and I'll be.
Do I look cute, guys? Where's my hat? Give me my hat.
Perfect for X videos. Pretty good. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that.
It's not that bad, man.
They're not that bad.
No. Like it goes away.
It goes away quick, but it hits you quick too.
I
Like
don't even feel it.
the moment it touches your tongue, it just burns.
I don't even feel it anymore, dude. I don't feel it. May I hurry up? May I hurry up?
It's the best content.
Okay,
Just slam through.
here we go.
Wait, is this keto?
I'm alright.
Dude, screw,
I don't need it.
screw keto right now.
If you want, I got coconut cream. A box of coconut cream.
I'm fine.
Wait, what type of milk is this?
It is reduced fat.
Shut up and drink it, James. What are you?
get that,
What are you,
yeah.
lame?
No, man.
Some sort of lame boy.
Those
I
are
mean,
the-
I can give you soy
jerk.
milk if you want.
Ew.
It's not that bad. I'm fine. The milk does help though. Milk is for Joji.
It helps like in the moment, but then like the moment you swallow it, like feel the heat again.
It's because I needed something in my throat. The ice cream wasn't doing it. I felt like I was swallowing it way too fast.
Well, I mean, you put hot sauce on the ice cream.
I don't know what you're talking about.
And then infused that
I didn't put
with
anything.
ice cream.
The ice cream came like that, okay?
Hot ones times drumstick.
Laxative.
Laxative. Do you guys have a meth?
I'll try a little
We
bit
have
more.
cocaine.
The meth.
That's fine.
The meth diet.
I mean, typically I'll say no, but in this case, it's a special event.
You know, like,
Oh shit.
Nick, can I get more milk? Nick, where are you?
Okay.
He's losing the
I can't-
consciousness.
Oh, snap.
Guys, do you guys smell burning lungs? Oh, excuse me.
I could smell that burn.
I was gonna say it gets easier with the second time around, but
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't, dude.
Here. Here we go.
Oh, thank you.
My mom was asking what kind of hot sauce you guys are eating.
You should try it
And just
Tapatio.
sometime. A little bit of sriracha in there. This is just a spicy sriracha, dude. It's fine. I didn't even feel it.
I can't tell if this is my paper towel or not. Yeah,
Mine's on me.
Oh, yeah, I haven't drank my water yet.
I drink most of it. I got an ice cream and 2 glasses of milk. I'm sick with it.
Those wings are. What's the place called?
Fire Wings. It's
Dude,
in downtown San Mateo.
Is
It
next
makes-
to Gong Cha?
it makes sense.
Yeah, it's like down the
Like
block.
a block away.
My ears. You know how when you go too elevated and your ears they get like pressurized.
Yeah.
I had that for the longest time, and it
Mm.
just went away right now. It was the hot sauce, dude. It gave it to me. It pressurized my entire body.
Your body's just freaking out.
Yeah, I was like, dude, what's happening? What are you doing to me? I'm just like, don't worry, it's fine.
You take a second bite. You're like, stop.
And then he's like, oh, ice cream? Sick.
What is this one?
That's a Caribbean jerk.
Curry?
Not just Caribbean jerk chicken.
Yeah, some more of
Like
this.
curry.
They have a curry one. They have a Malaysian curry.
I recommend their peanut butter one too. It's really good.
This one's my favorite though. The dragon.
Don't
Oh my
worry.
god!
I'm
Wilmer.
not gonna,
You put it in the milk.
I'm not gonna do it.
Wilmer just wants to die, you guys.
Come on. We're not gonna get that many views. I'm just kidding.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Guys, 1 like and 1 subscribe.
Hell no! Who ate all the dragon wings?
You did.
You did. You've literally been grabbing all of them. I ate 1 wing.
I ate the last one before you ate.
My teeth hurt.
Try putting some of this on them.
Just like brush your teeth.
Just
The worst
Oh,
is when it
that's
gets on your gums. The first time I ate that, it was on some fried Hawaiian fish.
oh, and you just like went at it.
Yeah, I literally just like doused it on there. And then, like the moment it touched my tongue, I'm like, oh god, I gotta chew this fast. But there's too much to chew, and it just got in my gums, and it just felt like my gums got cut up.
Bro, these ain't plain. They got jalapeno in them.
Is that jalapeno?
Ghosts.
Where's my hat? I gotta look cute again.
Aesthetically pleasing.
I gotta get those aesthetics.
Oh god. Damn. It gets
You
better.
get another one?
It's not that bad.
I'm impressed. James is going for it later in the game, you guys.
I know, right?
That's a lot. That is a lot, James.
He bites the part where there's none.
It's a prop wing.
It's yeah. It's not that his entire
You
time
have to
is
like
just
counteract it with the ranch.
Oh yeah.
You can literally just drink the ranch if you.
Yeah, just take a sip of the ranch, dude.
You guys.
I know this is my channel, but I'm not doing that.
Hey James, try to have a conversation with me. How was your day, dude?
We'll go.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What you do today?
Play Call of Duty.
Dude, sick. That's all you need today.
Thought you went to the car show.
Oh yeah. San Carlos had a car show.
Nice.
It was small. Ah!
What was that? Can you say that again? What about the car show? What kind of cars were in there?
Classic cars.
What kind of cars?
Classic cars.
Oh, a classic car. They had a show like that at my job over in Millbrae too, where it was just a bunch of classic cars. One of my coworkers that I don't like entered into it, and he lost. So I was hella happy.
Oh.
He always parks where I block off specifically because I don't want people
I'm gonna
parking there.
get like a little drip on my tongue.
Get it? Get it in there. No, not that bad.
No. Like it goes away.
Even that little bit, I feel.
Yeah?
Okay, you can continue.
Oh.
Are you good, James? You want some more? Here. Yeah, I got you, dude.
No, man.
Yeah, just have a little
You're
drink.
giving me the best thumbnail idea ever.
When James opens his mouth, just put my face in his mouth. And then,
I just you tipping your hat.
you know, I'll give it to you.
Oh god.
Oh boy. This is legit.
Oh god, that's so bad.
They're like masochists.
You know that feeling when you're
The first time you handle it pretty well. The second time it really got you.
you know that feeling when you go insane, but like you're totally fine, but you're not. I'm having that right now.
Like when you're insane, but you think you're fine.
Oh shit, what was that?
No, that's the water
That's
pipe.
the insanity.
You're hearing things, dude. I didn't hear anything.
Nice.
Oh, that burp was spicy.
That dragon breath, dragon.
Yeah.
Gotta give a message to your girlfriend, just in case you gotta go to the ER.
Guys, if I don't make it out alive, if I don't make it out alive, guys, tell my family I'm dead. Thanks.
Oh.
Just cremate you with this.
Just cremate me. Yeah.
Drip it on you.
Just put that on me and I'll just melt. Thanks.
Okay.
I need to check if they're actually sold out. I'm gonna buy one, dude.
Yeah, I think it was just that day or two, because like I checked that day and like their site just crashed.
That's a burp again. It's getting inside me, dude. I can feel it. My stomach's like, what is this?
I know. I feel it in my stomach now too. But you guys have eaten like 2 or 3 servings, so.
Nah, we're chill.
Ruined.
How many servings is that hot sauce having? Does it say?
24 servings per container, 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon per serving.
1 teaspoon is a serving.
Yeah.
I put like an entire like tablespoon inside of my immune system. You should take
Do
a
you
sip.
need another cone?
Yeah, ghost chilies.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get you the
Kit Kat.
one.
Okay.
Ghost chilies are the #1 ingredient, so.
Gabe, this is your channel. You have to take a sip of it
Hell no.
because I can't
Come on, man. Take another dab.
take a
I'll put it. I put like a little bit on my finger,
grab all of that.
like that.
Just put it inside your uvula.
Oh man, I'm
Aim
hella
f-
nervous about this.
Aim for your uvula.
Put on the tip of your penis.
Just pee fire.
But then we have to put this on Pornhub. We can't put it on YouTube.
Part 2.
Part 2 is on Pornhub, guys.
Oh man.
We're live on no, I can't say it. It's too late.
Subsiding.
Here we go.
Nice.
I'm about to.
Wait, you're seriously about to take another one?
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
just gonna put it in there.
I got peer pressured into
It's
it.
keto.
He has to do it or
No,
he's
no.
lame.
Is it keto?
We
I think it is
peer-pressured you
actually.
into putting in your penis.
Man, this is a bigger glob than last time.
You're chill, dude. You gotta suck on it. Oh, there it is.
I literally smeared it all like across my tongue.
Maybe,
gross.
do you want a Bang energy drink?
Do you want to bang, dude?
Sure.
What
Which
do you
one? Give me the birthday cake one.
Is it this?
No, the other one.
But you're not gonna taste the birthday cake one right now.
It's okay. I can get another one tomorrow.
Ew, man, it looks gross.
What, creatine?
Birthday
Shout out to Bang Energy.
Up close.
The
up
keto
close.
friendly.
We're also sponsored by Bang.
I wish.
Shout out to Adidas.
Shove it
Send me
to yeah, put your saddles back.
Adidas times Arizona.
We got all the sponsors today.
Yeah, our sponsor is our own wallets. Hard work and stuff.
Damn, my neck's sweating.
Oh man, this is hella good.
Nice.
Probably one of my favorite flavors.
I
What's it?
kinda wanna
What's
try
it taste like?
It tastes like a birthday cake.
Is it better than cotton candy?
Probably like on par.
You might say it's a little bashy.
You want to try?
Maybe.
I just drank one of these earlier too, and they had 300 milligrams of caffeine. This one does also, so
Mmm.
600.
Oh wow, it tastes good. I'm impressed. It's like drinking vanilla cake batter.
You guys want some? You're all gonna share this.
What is this?
It's
just an
birthday.
energy drink.
It's a birthday cake bash.
Creatine energy.
It's good.
Bruh.
Tastes like those Betty Crocker.
Why are you gonna make me go after
Confetti
James? I might catch something.
Might catch this coolness.
Is that what it's called?
Catch the spade.
Catch this fade, dude. Catch me outside. It tastes weird. It tastes like a vanilla drink.
Yeah.
Like
That
vanilla with
tastes pretty
sprinkles. Like
Yeah.
a vanilla cupcake or something.
Guys, buy this drink, and then put some of this on it.
Hell no.
Just put it right at the lip so that when you take a sip, your lip touches it.
Mm.
Every bite that I took, I avoided my lips, so none of it went into my lips, which is dope.
I feel like it
anything.
migrated to my lips.
Yeah? I completely avoided my lip region. I don't feel it.
Really?
Yeah.
Like to me, I put it on my tongue, but then it like migrates to my lips afterwards, like tingly.
We got the tactics.
I still feel it on my tongue, like right where I smeared it is like where I feel it. Just feel like I cut right where I smeared it.
My tongue still feels numb, though, like right down the middle.
Yeah, when I was eating that wing, it was like just chewy. You couldn't really taste anything.
Is there one more? I want this one.
My liver fucking hurts.
This is the this is my second wing. I went all out with the first one.
You only ate 2 wings so far?
Mm-hmm.
We ate the rest of them.
Yeah.
Dude, he kept dousing it with sauce.
Sauce.
Sauce boy.
It needs something.
To be honest, this, like in this 27-minute video so far.
It's 27
Guys-
minutes?
Yeah, it's been 27
Oh my god.
minutes. Like you guys handle it better than
Then Joji and Rich
Yeah.
Brian. Like Joji, shout out to Joji. I remember he was just literally just drinking it out of the tap.
Oh.
And then didn't you wasn't there like that one chick that was trying to get to it too?
Oh yeah, Nikki. They were,
Yeah.
but Joji was just hogging it. And Rich Brian had a panic attack.
I feel like I kind of felt like him.
And then that chef dude, whatever his name is, shout out to you.
Shout out to Chef.
Have you seen Chef?
He wants pizza.
Not Chef, the Chef.
Have you seen Chef?
You guys remember that meme?
Chef, the one with the guy from Iron Man?
Yeah, the director.
The main character from Halo.
John Favreau, whatever his name is.
What?
Oh yeah, but like Sean completely ruined his pizza. Just like literally doused it with like this hot sauce. Like he put so much effort. Like he made like the
After he put
pineapple
love.
base and just like doused it at the very end.
After all that love he put into it.
I still feel the heat. But
It
man,
was
this is
good though.
Someone tweet this video at Sean.
We will.
I'll do it too. Let's all tweet at it.
I don't got Twitter.
I don't have Twitter either. I just have IG.
I'll make a Twitter. And we didn't even. It looks like we didn't grab too much, but that's a lot. Like to
Mhm.
be honest, that's a lot that we dumped on.
Because before this,
ourselves.
I only literally made like 1 serving of it. And then I tried it yesterday with Connor. We literally just stuck toothpicks in it. That's all we did.
Wow, you guys are lame. Next time I see Connor, I'm gonna make him. I'm gonna just open his mouth and just put a funnel in there. I want another wing. That's James Fat. You guys remember?
He ate all the good ones too.
Yeah, he ate all the good ones. Freaking jerk.
I should have just gotten like half. Like I should have just got majority of those. like 2/3 of the dragon, and then like.
These are still good
something.
though.
Those are literally
All
just
the
salt,
wings
pepper.
Are so good. But their garlic noodles are really good too. Highly recommend. We love you, Fire Wings.
Oh yeah, I feel that burp.
Sponsor us.
Gross.
Is the burp spicy?
It's like
A
very.
little bit.
It's like a very airy.
It's like a warm like. It's like when you like open the oven to take out a pizza, like that kind of.
It's
that
like a
heat
warm.
escaping.
It's like the warm hug my mom never gave me.
Shout out to Wilmer's mom.
Hate you, mom. Just kidding. I love you. Don't hit me again.
I think that should conclude it though. I mean, like, pretty much devoured that.
I'm gonna just keep eating. This is my third wing.
I literally, it feels like my tongue got cut, like got sliced.
That must be so enjoyable to have your tongue sliced.
I wonder if I'm gonna die younger now. I don't know if my lifespan shrank. Probably.
Everyone, you should declare your love for Joji right now.
Shout out to Joji.
He's alright.
A little too emo.
What about pink color?
Don't mention that.
That's forgotten.
Don't mention that.
He's gonna get
Joji
mad.
doesn't like
He's
that.
gonna get triggered. But anyways, I guess that concludes this video. Like, subscribe, comment. Shout out to my boy Wilmer here, my boy James, and the Giant Peach.
Thank you, Hot Ones. Thank you, San Mateo Restaurant that I forgot the name of. Tell it.
Fire Wings.
Thank you,
Shout out
Fire
Fire
Wings. Thank you, Joji. Who are we missing?
And Sean.
Sean Evans, Rich Bryan. Yeah. That one chef guy who made the pineapple pizza that got ruined by Sean.